Hello, this is Louis with Vicrez.com, and today we're going to do a product review of our newest rear bumper for the 350z. We know many of you guys have been asking for a polyurethane version for the rear bumper. Well, it is finally here. This rear bumper has a more aggressive look in comparison to the OEM bumper. As you can see, it's massive, and to the side areas, there's like small vents, and also in the lower area where it could be easily covered up with some mesh grills that could also be found on the product listings. Not only that, but also in the lower area of the bumper, as you can see, there's a small square vent that could be also added a third brake light, or also can be covered with a mesh grill. It is totally optional, and more than anything, personal preference. When we make this bumper, we make sure that everything fits just right, especially in the rear tail light of the rear bumper and the square third brake light of the rear bumper. We wanted to make sure to do this as perfect as we can, so that way when the customers are installing the brake light for the rear bumper, they have no issues at all. Guys, as you can see, it's super simple. It's just plug and play. And there it is. Here in the back, just make sure that when you're mounting the rear bumper to properly attach the tabs of the rear bumper. So there it is, guys. If you're looking for a durable, well-constructed rear bumper for the 350z, this is your best choice, and as always, you can find it at vicrez.com.